Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable, isn't it? Now coming to the worksheet 1, we have understood the sums and the examples. So we'll start the worksheet 1. Solve the following equations and check the answer. Now 5x minus 2 is equal to 18. So 5x, keep it to the left, and 18 plus 2 minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 5x is equal to 18 plus 2 is 20. So x is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So x is equal to 4. Now first we have to check LHS. What is the expression? 5x minus 2. So put the value 5 into 4 minus 2. 5 fours are 20 minus 2 is 18. So LHS is 18 and RHS already it is given 18. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. See, in the worksheets, the first starting sums will be easy. Now coming to the second sum, 1 by 4y plus half is equal to 5. Now 1 by 4y, keep it in the left side, and 5, take 1 by 2 to the other side. It will be minus 1 by 2. Now 1 by 4y means y by 4 is equal to, fraction you have to take the LCM. So 1 2s are 2 5s are 10 minus 1. So it will be y by 4 is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9 by 2. So y is equal to 9 by 2 into the 4 goes to the numerator. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 9 2s are will be 18. Isn't it? So the answer is y is equal to 18. Now check LHS. 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2. Put the value 1 by 4 into 18 within the bracket 1 by 2. Now 2 2s are 2 9s are. So it will be 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, how much it is? 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So the answer is 5. So LHS you got 5. RHS already it is given as 5. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? Now coming to the third sum, 3 by 5x minus 6 is equal to 3. So 3 by 5x, keep it on the left side. 3 minus 6 becomes plus 6. Now 3x by 5, isn't it, is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. So x will be equal to 9. This multiplied by the reciprocal, 3 by 5 becomes 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So it will be 3 5s are 15. So x how much you got? 15. Now check. LHS, how much it is given? 3 by 5x minus 6. Put the value 3 by 5 into 5 minus 6. So it will be 5 and 5 cut. It will be 15, isn't it? X is 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So 3 3s are 9 minus 6 will be 9 minus 6 is 3. So LHS you got 3. So RHS already it is given 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Sorry, here I had written 5. Actually, the value is 15. That is why 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. Is it clear? Please take care while putting the values and all. Okay, now coming to the fourth sum. 3x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 minus x. Bring x to the left side. 3x minus x becomes plus x. Now here it is 2 plus 1 by 5. Take it to the other side. It will be minus 1 by 5. Now 3x plus x will be 4x is equal to, now it is a fraction. So take the LCM. 1 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10 minus 1. So 4x is equal to 9 by 5. So x will be 9 by 5 into, now 4. 4 का reciprocal क्या है? 1 by 4. So it will be 9 1s are 9 and 5 4s are 20. So answer is x is equal to 9 by 20. Now coming to check. LHS is 3x plus 1 by 5. Okay, now 3 into 9 by 20 plus 1 by 5. Now there is no cutting. 9 3s are 27 by 20 plus 1 by 5. Now LCM will be 20, है ना? 27 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4. So 27 by 4, how much it will be? 31 by 20. समझ में आया? So 27 plus 4 is 31. So this is LHS. Now coming to RHS. 2 minus x. Now 2 minus x is how much? 9 by 20. Take the LCM. 20. 1 20s are 22s are 40 minus 9. 40 minus 9 is 31 upon 20. Same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding the sums. So we have completed the first 4 sums. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum. 8x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 5. So take x to the left side minus 6x is equal to minus 5 plus 5 becomes minus 5. So 8x minus 6x will be 2x is equal to minus 5 becomes minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Answer is minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Is it clear? Now coming to the check. LHS, what is it? 8x plus 5. 8 into minus 5 plus 5. Please put the bracket 8x. So 8 into minus 5. Put it within the bracket. So this becomes minus 40 plus 5. It becomes minus 35. Isn't it? Now coming to RHS. 6x minus 5. That is 6 into minus 5 minus 5. Within the bracket 6x. Okay, now 6 into minus 5 will be minus 30. Minus 5 will be minus 35. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the sixth sum. It is 9z minus 13 is equal to 11z plus 27. Okay, z, take it to the left side. So 9z minus 11z is equal to 27. Minus 13 will become plus 13. Now 9 minus 11 will be minus 2z is equal to, add 7 plus 3, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So z is equal to 40 upon minus 2. So it will be 2 1s are, 2 20s are. So answer is minus 20. Sign is minus. Is it clear? Now coming to check. LHS 9z minus 13. So 9 into minus 20 within the bracket minus 13. So 9 into 20, that is minus 9 2s are 18, 0 minus 13. So minus minus add 0 plus 3, 3, 9, 1. So you got minus 193. Now coming to RHS 11z plus 27. ये वाला इधर लिखने का. And now 11 into minus 20 plus 27 minus 11 2s are 22 and 0 plus 27. Now signs are different, so subtract. बड़ा number का sign minus. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now here it is 1. That means 11 minus 2 is 9 and 1. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. सबको समझ में आ गए? Is it clear? Now coming to the seventh sum. So in the seventh sum, it is a 7 by y plus 1 is equal to 29. 7 by y is equal to 29 plus 1 minus 1. है ना? So 7 by y is equal to 28. Okay. Now cross multiply. So either denominator will be 1. That means 7 is equal to y इंटू 28। समझ में आ रहा है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 7 इंटू 1, इधर कुछ नहीं है तो नहीं लिखेंगे, y इंटू 28। सो y इज इक्वल टू 7/28। y इज इक्वल टू 7/28। 28/7 नहीं है, याद रखो। 7 1s are 7 4s are. So therefore y is equal to 1/4. Is it clear? This better take care. Now coming to check LHS 7/y plus 1 is equal to 7/, ये बड़ा लाइन डालो, 1/4 plus 1. Okay, now it will be 7 into, division का मतलब multiply the reciprocal. That means 1/4 becomes 4/1 plus 1. 7 4s are 28 by 1 नहीं लिखने का, plus 1 is equal to 29. Clear? Now RHS is equal to कितना दिया है? 29. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Clear? Now coming to the 8th sum, 3/5x plus 2/5 is equal to 1. So x वाला लेफ्ट में रखेंगे, है ना? So 1, 2/5 goes to the right side. Now this one will be 3x/5. अभी इधर फ्रैक्शन है तो एलसीएम लेने का, 5 1 का मतलब 5/5, सो इधर आएगा 5 minus 2, सो 3x/5 इज इक्वल टू 5 minus 2 कितना आया? 3/5. ओके, तो x इज इक्वल टू 3/5 इंटू मल्टीप्लाई द रेसिप्रोकल, सो 3/5 बनेगा 5/3, है ना? x इज इक्वल टू 3/5 इंटू 3/5 becomes 5/3. So 3 1s are 3 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. X is equal to 1. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now check LHS 3/5x plus 2/5. That is 3/5 into 1 plus 2/5. That is 3 1s are 3/5 plus 2/5. That is 3 plus 2 is, denominators are same. So 3 plus 2 is 5/5. That is 1. So RHS is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood up to question number 8. All are small sums, isn't it? Comparatively easy sums. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.